Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook login error on iPhone. Method 1. Check iPhone date and time. Firstly, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Tab on General. Then tab on Date and Time. Now turn on Set Automatically option. Method 2. Reset all settings. Firstly, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Tab on General. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and tap Transfer or Reset. And tab on Reset. Then tab on Reset all settings to confirm your action. Method 3. Install and reinstall Facebook. First, press and hold Facebook app. You can see the pop-up that is Remove app. Tab on Delete app. Then tab on Delete. Then open App Store and reinstall the Facebook app. Method 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Tab on General. Scroll down and tab on Transfer or Reset. Then tab on Reset. After that, tab on Reset network settings. Method 5. Update your iPhone. Firstly, go to Settings app. Tab on General. Next, select Software Update. You will see information about the latest update, including the version number and detail about what the update will improve. Tap Download and Install and then type your lock screen passcode. So like the video before leaving, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.